going on, everybody? Dave here, JDH Reptiles, and of course we have a video to update you on the changes in the snake room. Now, I mentioned I was going to do this video this week sometime, so here it is. As you can see, starting off here, we do have the FB10s from TGR still. I've got 3 of those. Keeping all my hatchlings, any holdbacks we have. Some of the ones you saw in the intro, those are hatchlings that either we have or some that we kept back. This would be the TGR FB40s right here. These are full of all of our breeder females. There's 2 or 3 that are not up to breed size yet, but they're really close. But these have all our breeders in them otherwise. Matter of fact, any with the double tags on them, those are actually pairings that are in the process. And then right here, the ARS 5040 hybrid system. So we're using this predominantly for all of our males, and any females that are at or below about 1,000 grams, maybe 1,200 depending on the size of the female. But that's what we're basically keeping this for, is all males. And we'll eventually get another rack for females alone. We'll come over here, I'll show you a few. There's this guy here. This is our Gold Blush Mojave scaleless head male. Nice high scale reduction. Here's a really nice banana male. This guy is Het Clown also. So we hope to prove him out this year. Here's one of our stunning ladies for this year. Actually, she'll be a little ready next year. Not quite yet for this year. She is an Orange Dream Vanilla Yellow Belly. Another beautiful female. This one here is a Banana Lesser Calico female. Here's a real nice spot nose yellow belly pastel female. Alright, so the question is, what's next? I don't know. Not sure. We're going to be putting some time into this year's pairings. We've already planned what we're going to do as far as who we're going to pair with who. We've already started doing some pairing. So really the question is just what's next as far as where the snakes are going to go from here. I mean, this room itself is already being outgrown. So eventually we're going to have to find somewhere else to put them. We'll have to make a dedicated room or something of the sorts. So yeah, just a quick, simple little update. Let you know what's been going on. If you watched our rat video, you saw that we did the ARS 5040s or 5032s out there. So we've moved into the ARS family, gotten some of those racks for both the rats as well as for the snakes. And that's pretty much what we've been doing for about the last 4 to 5 weeks, is just working on getting all this stuff moved in, everything transitioned over. We're getting the rat house done, and now trying to get our garage back to usable for us. So thanks again, everybody. We appreciate your time. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And there's going to be another video coming out within a day or two, I think. A couple days. That I'm going to do for an update on some clutches. So have a great evening. Thanks again, and take care of each other.